Hi, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to delete a character in Character.ai. So the first thing you have to know about this app is that it has different characters, and each of these characters can chat with you. But if for any reason you want to delete that particular character, all you have to do is to log into the app, or you can log in through your website. Click steadily on that particular character, so you're going to see things that you can actually do to this character. You can like this character, you can view this character profile, you can view the chat, you can also tell the app that you're not interested in this particular character. You can also report this particular character, but you cannot delete the character from the app. So guys, that is it on how to delete a particular character in the app in Character.ai. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.